Steps to open a business bank account. If you own a business, you must keep your business and personal funds separate. Having a separate business bank account makes record keeping and tax time much more manageable. It also makes it a lot easier to apply for loans when you don't have to differentiate between business and personal income. To open a business bank account, you need certain documents and information. Here's everything you must know. You must prove your identity. First, you must prove your identity, just like you would with a personal bank account. Any government-issued IDs work, including your driver's license, a state-issued ID, or a passport. The bank will also ask for other information, including your Social Security number. If you applied for an employee identification number to keep your Social Security number private, you can share your EIN instead of your SS number. If you own the business yourself, you are the only person that must identify yourself. However, if you have multiple owners, all owners must identify themselves. The bank needs information about your business. Since you're opening a business bank account, the bank must know information about your business. This includes the name, address, and ownership type. For example, they must know if you're a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. You must provide your business documents. Finally, to open a business bank account, you must provide documentation for your business. The type of ownership will determine the documents needed. Here's what to expect. Sole proprietor. You may have a business license or business name registration if you run your business as a sole proprietor. Anything you have that proves your business legally exists will help you open a business bank account. Partnership. Partnerships aren't much different than a sole proprietorship, except you have multiple owners rather than just you. Banks need proof of your business's existence, such as a business license or a name registration. They'll also need the partnership agreement to review. LLC. If you filed your business as an LLC, you must have your articles of incorporation and the LLC operating agreement. Like all other business types, you also need your business license. Corporation. If you incorporated your business, you must provide the articles of incorporation and your business license to open a bank account. How to choose the right business bank account. Choosing the correct business bank account is a big decision. You should shop around and compare these factors just like you would for a personal bank account. Opening balance requirement. Each business bank account has a different minimum opening balance requirement. Therefore, pay close attention to narrow your options to the banks where you can meet the opening balance requirements. Monthly fees. Most business bank accounts charge monthly fees, but some may waive or reduce the fees if you meet a certain balance threshold. Look at your average bank balance and revenue to estimate how much you can keep in your account, but also figure out the worst-case scenario for the fees just in case. ATM Access. If you need access to cash or to deposit checks often, ensure the business bank account has easy and free ATM access. Banking options. Think about how you prefer to bank most often. Do you like visiting a brick-and-mortar branch, or do you prefer mobile banking? Look at a bank's options and fees, especially for teller transactions, as many banks charge for in-person transactions. Online banking. Think about what services you'll need online. For example, will you pay vendors online, check your balances, or do online bill pay? Each bank account has different features, so determine which makes the most sense for your needs. A free savings account. Some business bank accounts offer a free savings account too. This can be a great way to put money aside for emergencies or to grow your business. Set up automatic deposit into your savings account each month to ensure you save money, and you'll build your savings with little to no effort. The benefits of a business bank account. You might wonder why you would need another bank account to manage. Here are the benefits of having a business bank account. Protect your personal assets. When your business and personal funds are separate, you can keep your personal funds out of any liability issues. This clearly demonstrates the difference between the two funds and may protect you from losing money should there be a liability dispute or another issue. Proves your business is legit. When you're applying for loans or other business funding, it helps to have a business bank account to prove your business's legitimacy. You can verify your transactions, revenue, and expenses to help you qualify for business funding easier. You may get a credit line. Many banks offer good business customers a credit line for emergency use. This can be a great way to ensure you can cover your business expenses and/or help your business in a crisis. It looks more professional. It puts on a much more professional front when you provide your customers with the information to pay you via a business bank account. Say, for example, your customers have to write you a check. If they write it to you personally, it loses a portion of that professionalism. But if they write it to your business name, it protects your reputation. Some final thoughts. Opening a business bank account as early as possible is one of the best moves you can make as a business owner. Not only does it protect you financially, but it makes tax time much easier for everyone. You don't have to shuffle through shoe boxes of receipts and try to remember which expenses were business and which were personal. With your accounts separate, you'll have a much more professional image and be able to get your business tasks done much faster. So whether you're a small business operating with little funds you have, or you want to grow your business and need business loans in the future, the first step is opening a business bank account. As always, please connect with your financial advisor to make sure the accounts and steps you take are right for your situation. And if you'd like more tips and tricks, subscribe to our blog below.